Hello everyone, my name is Denis, and today we're gonna talk about Merck Co Incorporated with ticker MRK. In this video we'll have a quick stock overview and I will show you something interesting in quarter report. Don't forget to push like button and subscribe button because I'm here to make you money. Okay, it is a really huge company with market capitalization over $200 billion and they're on top 3 in drug manufacturers. They have $9.7 billion in income, 44 in sales. I think it's a really nice dividend percentage payout. Dividend is 2.5, payout is 60%. They have a quite high debt to equity, and this is the first thing that I don't like. And the second thing that they have, I think, high price for that moment. Consensus price target is $92. Now it's 86, and we have some kind of trend here. That is good. This is how a chart looks like, and I really don't like the strategy to buy here because I think it's high highs and the top was $95. I really don't like idea to buy right now. Maybe we will see better prices, or maybe we wouldn't see that. It's you decide. We have a growth in dividends, and it is a 7 years of consecutive dividend growth from 43 cents in 2013 to 55 cents in 2019. From the other side, we have some kind of stagnation in revenue, because actual revenue around $11 billion, and from 2012 it's like from here, from $36 to 86. That's why I really don't like it right now. I think we will see some kind of drop down to 60, and I think I will buy some stock from 60, maybe 65, and I will write it in our list. I think I can do it right now because it is a really nice stock. Yes. Buy from 65. Nothing interesting in cash flow, nothing interesting in insider ownership, and it is only 0.27%. Institutional ownership is really interesting because we have like some kind of trend here. More institutionals buy this stock, and here how it looks on the Nasdaq. Vanguard, BlackRock, Geode Capital, all our friends, and they're in, and it is good. Biggest income they got from Keytruda. It is a oncology pharmaceuticals, and this is how it looks like, and we can see that they made $2.6 billion on one pharmaceuticals, but it is a really nice oncology pharmaceuticals because it can treat several forms of cancer, and I think it's really interesting. We can see it here, and neck cancer, non-small cell, lung cancer, and some other sort of cancers. Actually, they have lots of phase 2 and phase 3 pharmaceuticals, and the second thing and the third thing that they have some kind of acquisitions of other companies, and it's good because they can grow faster, and collaborations with AstraZeneca and Etzai and Bayer AG. And that is all what I would like to say about that company. If you don't think that we have some kind of higher highs here, you can buy it right now, but I think we will see something like 65 in maybe 1 or 2 years, or maybe no, I don't know. I wouldn't buy it right now, I will wait, and if you have your own opinion, please leave it in a comment below. If that video was helpful, don't forget to push a like button. See you later, bye bye.